it once again.
Class 9, Lesson 15 Probability, Exercise 15.1, Question number 8. Refer to question number 2, Exercise 14.2. So, we have to refer the question number 2 in Exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2, Question number 2. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. So, total number of engineers, 40 engineers, residency distance from the place of work. So, the place of work to the home, the distance in kilometer they are given 5, 3, 10 and going on. Construct a, so we have to consider this table alone. So here, what is the empirical probability that an engineer lives? The first question is less than 7 kilometer. Who are all living less than 7 kilometer from her place of work? So less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. Now in this table we have to mark who are all have less than 7 kilometer. 5 also less than 7 kilometer and the 3 also less than 7 kilometer. The remaining is no one is there. Then the second row, the last one less than 7 kilometer. And the third one, they are given less than 7 kilometer only. So we should not consider exactly 7. So we can consider 3 and 5 and 3. The fourth row, 2, 6 and 6. So how many engineers have less than 7 kilometer distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 engineers having less than 7 kilometer distance. So 9 engineers having less than 7 kilometer from place of work. Now the second question, more than or equal to 7 kilometer. So we have to consider the distance 7 kilometer also and more than also from her place of work. Now we can see the table. So in the first question we found less than 7 kilometer and the second question more than or equal to 7 kilometer. So total number of engineers 40. In that you subtract less than 7 kilometer engineers, now you will get more than 7 kilometer. Otherwise you can add these numbers. Which one you not circle, you add that number, you will get the answer. So total number of engineers is 40. Less than 7 kilometer is 9 people. So 40 you subtract 9, you will get 31. So 31 person, the distance is less than or equal to 7 kilometer or more than. The third one is within half kilometer distance. So how many persons having home within half kilometer from her place of work? Now we can refer the table. Now you can refer the table. Here no persons have the distance less than half kilometer. There is no person, so we can consider 0. So within half kilometer no persons are there, so we can consider 0. Now we can write the answers for this. Question number 8. Now we can write the answers. The first one is, so 8th one, first question. Number of engineers. The number of engineers. So total number of engineers is 40. The first question, less than 7 kilometer from her place of work. So number of engineer lives less than 7 kilometer. Already we written 9. So the required probability, the denominator we will write total number of engineers 40. Number of engineers less than 7 kilometer is 9. So the fraction is 9 divided by 40. Now we can see the second one. In the second one, they ask more than or equal to 7 kilometers. So number of engineers lives more than or equal to 7 kilometer. Already we written. So total number of engineers are 40. In that less than 7 kilometer is 9. If you subtract, you will get 31. So 31 engineers more than or equal to 7 kilometers. 31 engineers lives more than or equal to 7 kilometer. Therefore, required probability equal to total number of engineers 40 and less than 7 kilometers 31. So required probability is 31 divided by 40. Now we can see the third one. In the third one, they are asking that within half kilometer. No engineers are there within half kilometer. So we can write number of engineers lives within half kilometer is 0. Therefore, required probability. So total number of engineers 40, less than half kilometer is 0. So required probability is 0 divided by 40, 0.